Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to match movie color grade in Davinci Resolve. This is a fantastic technique that lets you recreate the cinematic look of your favorite films, giving your own footage that professional, polished aesthetic. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Davinci Resolve application on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see the main interface with several options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the tab labeled Edit and click on it. This is where you'll set up your project before we move into the color grading phase. Now, before we can start matching colors, you need to get your footage ready. Import your video clip into the timeline, the one you want to apply the color grade to. Right alongside it, drag in the movie clip that has the color grade you're trying to match. Having both clips in your timeline is essential because Davinci Resolve will use the movie as a reference point for the color matching process. With both clips in place, click on your video clip to select it. Then navigate to the bottom of the screen again and click on the Color tab. This shifts you into Davinci Resolve's powerful color grading workspace, where all the magic happens. You'll now see both clips displayed, your footage and the reference movie. Here's where it gets really interesting. Right-click on the movie clip, the one with the color grade you want to replicate. From the menu that appears, select Shot Match to this clip. Davinci Resolve will analyze the colors, tones, and overall grading of that movie clip and automatically apply a similar look to your footage. It's a quick and intelligent way to get close to that cinematic style without manually adjusting every slider. Now, depending on the lighting and exposure of your original footage, the result might not be perfect right away. If you notice the matched grade looks too dark or too light, don't worry, we can fine-tune it. Head over to the qualifier tool on the right side of the screen and click the key icon. This will open up the key panel, giving you more control over the adjustments. Inside the key panel, look for the section labeled Key Output. Here you'll find sliders for gain and offset. Adjust the gain slider to control the overall brightness of the highlights and midtones. Then tweak the offset slider to bring up or bring down the darker areas of your image. Play around with these two settings until your footage closely matches the color grade of the movie clip. It might take a bit of back and forth, but you'll see the difference as you go. And that's it. You've successfully matched the color grade of a movie in Davinci Resolve, giving your footage that same cinematic vibe. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.